This book is being read with permission from HarperCollins Publishers.
Hello, my wonderful reading friends. It's Awnie. Welcome to my house. Are you ready for a story? Have you ever been just about to fall asleep when something surprising happens? In this story, our friend Little Blue Truck is winding down for the night until a big storm rolls in. Will he and his animal friends be able to get some sleep? Let's find out as we read Good Night, Little Blue Truck. If you have a copy, go get it so you can read along with me.
Hello, I'm Corey from South Africa. Like and subscribe to Awnie's house.
Good Night, Little Blue Truck, written by Alice Schertle, illustrated in the style of Jill McElmurry by John Joseph. Bumpity bump, down the road came Little Blue Truck with good friend Toad. Thunder crashing, lightning flashing. Two good friends were homeward dashing. Such a wet and stormy night. Their warm garage was a welcome sight. In they went and shut the door, but it wasn't very long before...
"Ma!"
said Goat.
"Please, Little Blue, can I come in here with Toad and you?"
"Cluck!" said Hen.
"It's wet outside. I need a nice, safe place to hide."
"Honk!" said Goose.
"Don't care for lightning."
"Stormy nights are a little bit frightening."
"Moo!"
said Cow.
"Can I come in too? I feel safer here with you."
"Quack!" said Duck. "There's quite a crowd. Can I squeeze in? Are ducks allowed?"
"Oink!"
said Pig.
"Is there room for me? I'm cold and wet as I can be."
"Beep, beep, beep," said Little Blue.
"There's room for you and you and you. Everybody gather round. Thunder's such a grumbly sound." Clouds bump and tumble in the sky, but here inside we're warm and dry. And all the thirsty plants below will get a drink to help them grow.
Close to Blue, over and under, they listened to the rain and thunder. Duck said loud as she could quack it,
"Thunder's just a noisy racket."
"Boom!"
said Goat.
"It isn't scary. I was not afraid. Not very."
"Just a noise,"
said Pig.
"No wonder. I'm not scared of a little thunder."
After a while, the clouds blew on. The night was still. The storm was gone. Goat said,
"We feel better, Blue. It's easy to be brave with you."
Pig said,
"Oh, I feel sleepy now."
"Let's all head for home," said Cow. "Beep," said Blue.
"Just hop inside. All aboard for the bedtime ride."
The rain had stopped, and way up high, the moon was a smile in a starry sky.
"Good night, Pig. Here's your pen. Good night, Duck. Good night, Hen. Good night, goat. You're home now. Good night, goose. Good night, cow.
Horn went beep, engine purred. Friendliest sounds you ever heard. Blue and Toad drove home together. Two good friends in any weather. Toad lay down on his own small bed.
Croak. Good night, little Blue,
he said. Blue gave one small sleepy
beep.
Then little Blue Truck fell fast asleep.
Even with thunder rumbling and lightning flashing, Little Blue Truck reminded us that a good friend and a cozy barn can make everything better. I hope you enjoyed our story today. See you next time.